police shot this boy outside my apartment.
CNN has learned new forensic evidence shows Michael Brown's blood was found on Officer Darren Wilson's gun, uniform, and inside the interior door panel of the officer's car.
If, in fact, there is significant blood evidence inside the car or gunshot residue inside the car, that tends to undergird the officer's assertion that Brown came in the car and they were fighting in the car and there was a struggle for his gun inside the car.
Officer Wilson told investigators he feared for his life after struggling with Brown in his police car. Wilson says Brown tried to grab his gun. But Dorian Johnson, who was with Brown at the time, claims the officer was the aggressor.
It was like the officer's pulling him inside the car and he's trying to pull away.
The attorney for Michael Brown's family says what matters most is what happened in the street when Officer Wilson fired the fatal shot at the unarmed Brown, not what happened inside the car.
That's not when Michael died. Michael died later as the officer got out of his car as Michael was running away from him, and the officer decided to shoot at him as he ran away.
As anticipation mounts for the grand jury's decision on whether Wilson should be tried for murder, questions remain about why the information about the new forensic evidence, first reported by the New York Times, was leaked in the first place.
It could be really for, in part, a beneficial purpose to start leading those community leaders and those leading the protests to believe that there won't be an indictment, and maybe over time that will have a beneficial effect of no riots, no battles in the streets again.
The whole damn system is guilty as hell.
2 months since Wilson killed Brown, and anger in Missouri still simmers. In an exclusive interview with CNN, Attorney General Eric Holder tried to temper expectations on whether there is going to be an indictment.
My hope would be that people will understand that, certainly with regard to the federal government, that we looked at the facts, looked at the law, had to deal with that high standard and came to an appropriate conclusion when we do that.